Did you all wash your hands today? Yes, I'm sure. You all are keeping safe at home. You all are sanitizing as well as washing your hands at least for 20 seconds. Well, today we'll listen to a story. And the story says, you are going to a friend's party. Yes, it was a pretty long day's lockdown and you all were closed, but today you have an opportunity to go to your friend's birthday. This is your house and this is your friend's house. Are you all excited to go on a birthday party? Very good. And you moved out from your house to a friend's house. But what did you find? Your cycle got flat over here. And then you decided to go back home as it was near to it, right? Another friend who also was coming on a bicycle was just about to reach your friend's house, and his cycle also got flat, but he was over here. Unlike you went to your own house, but the other friend went to the friend's birthday party, right? Why does this happen? Though both of you got your cycle flat, that means दोनों की साइकिल का पंचर हो गया, लेकिन आपको तो अपने घर जाना पड़ा, लेकिन आपका दोस्त पार्टी में पहुंच गया. क्यों? बिकॉज आप अपने घर के पास थे तो आप वापस अपना घर आना बेटर समझा, जबकि फ्रेंड के घर पास पहुंच ही गया था, तो उसने कहा कि अब तो मैं फ्रेंड के घर के पास पहुंच ही गया हूं, तो मैं पार्टी में चला जाता. Right? Now, this thing we are going to understand in another way. Since we are dealing in mathematics, so we'll take a number line. The number line is from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is your 10th position, right? And you were here only, so you decided to come back to 0, whereas your friend was at 8 and he came back to this 10. Why? Because he was already half the way down. वो आधे से ज़्यादा कवर कर चुका था और वो अपने फ्रेंड के घर पहुंचने वाला था, तो इसलिए वो वहां चला गया. दैट मेक्स अगर हम 5 से कम वाली जगह पर आते, इस जगह पर हैं 5 या 5 से कम, तो हमें 0 पर आना पड़ेगा. लेकिन अगर हम 5 या 5 से ज़्यादा पर हैं तो हमें 10 के घर पहुंच जाएंगे हम. ठीक है, इसको बोलते हैं हम राउंडिंग ऑफ. यही आज का हमारा टॉपिक है. कीपिंग दिस फ्रेंड्स हाउस फ्रेंड्स पार्टी, ये वाले जो कंसेप्ट था, ये हम अप्लाई करेंगे अपने आज के कंसेप्ट में, दैट इज राउंडिंग ऑफ. राउंडिंग ऑफ मीन्स coming near to smaller or greater value. हमें छोटी या बड़ी वैल्यू के पास आना, दैट इज नोन एज राउंडिंग ऑफ. Now, we'll take just one example, that is 12. You know, 12 means 10 plus 2. अब मैंने आपको बताया था, अगर आप 2 पर हैं और आपको राउंडिंग करना है टू द नियरेस्ट 10, आपको राउंड करना है टू द नियरेस्ट 10, राइट? 10 में हम देख रहे हैं एक ज़ीरो का मतलब सिर्फ हम वंस की प्लेस देखेंगे, और साथ ही साथ 10 का हाफ होता है 5. ये 5 हमारा डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर होगा कि हमें क्या करना है. अब आप देखेंगे इन दिस केस 12 में 10 plus 2 इज देयर. 2 विच इज इन दिस ग्रुप लेस देन 5, तो हम जो है सीधा कहाँ पहुंच जाएंगे? 0 पर. तो इस केस में 2 हमारा बन जाएगा 0, तो दैट मेक्स 10 plus 0 मीन्स 10. तो 12 की राउंड ऑफ हो गई 10. We'll take one more example, say 18. 18 becomes 10 plus 8. अब आप देख रहे हैं 8 is more than 5. अगर more than 5 होते तो हम कहाँ चले जाते हैं 10 पर. तो इस केस में भी हम 8 की जगह हमें बन गया 10 and 10 plus 10 is 20. So 18 का राउंड ऑफ हो गया 20. ठीक है, एक और ले लेते हैं जल्दी से. 43. 43 मीन्स 40 plus 3. इस 40 को तो हम ऐसे ही रखेंगे. 3 हमारा 5 से कम है तो बन गया 0, तो हो गया 0. दैट मीन 40 प्लस 0 इज 40, तो राउंड ऑफ 43 का हो गया 40. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट नियरेस्ट 100. ठीक है, नियरेस्ट 100 में हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 2 zeros. इसका मतलब हमें 2 वैल्यूज की बात करेंगे, और 2 वैल्यूज साथ ही साथ हम ये भी ध्यान रखेंगे कि 100 का हाफ होता है 50. तो लाइक वी वर टेकिंग 5 एज अ सेंटर पॉइंट. 5 से डिसाइड कर रहे थे कि 5 से ऊपर है तो विल गो टू 10. इफ इट इज लेस देन 5 वी कम टू 0. सिमिलरली वी हैव 50. If it is more than 50, we'll move to the next, that is 100. And if it is less than 50, we'll come back to 0. Let's see. Say suppose we have 146. This can be written as 100 plus 46. I told you 2 digits लेंगे तो हम ये 2 digits इस तरीके से. Now 46, we'll see only 46. You know 46 is less than 50, so its value becomes 0. So 100 plus 0 becomes 100, right? So the rounding of 146 is 100. We'll take one more example, 168. This can be written as 100 plus 68. Now this 68 is more than 50. If it is more than 50, what will happen to 68? It becomes 100. So this number becomes 100 plus 100, that is 200. So the round off of 168 is 200. Now, just tell me one thing. What will be the answer? Rounding off of 150. This can be written as 100 plus 50. Now 50, where to go? 50 is, we'll put it in the next category of 100, or we'll put it in the last category, that is 0. We always move forward in life. When we have covered half the way, we won't come back. It is wrong. We move forward. So 50 will always give you 100. So it becomes 100 plus 100, that is 200. So 150 also becomes 200. Is that clear? This is how we do the rounding off. Now we'll come to the main topic of the day, that is estimating the sum. Sum means, you already know, sum means addition. Now what does this word estimating means? Estimating means is near about, or in other words we can say approximately, means अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि किसके पास कितना हो सकता है, लगभग. ये एक्यूरेट नहीं होता, एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं होता, लेकिन अराउंड उसके होता है कि लगभग अंदाजा लगा लेते हैं उसके. लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. सिंस एस्टिमेटिंग द सम, तो हमें सम 2 डिजिट्स का करना होगा, तो हम बात करते हैं से 13 प्लस 27. अब इन दोनों को हम राउंड अप करेंगे. नाउ this is 2 nearest tens. That makes 13 can be written as 10 plus 3, right? And 10 plus 3 का मतलब हो गया, since it is less than 5, so इसकी वैल्यू बन गई 0, तो 10 plus 0 becomes 10. Similarly, this 27 can be 20 plus 7. Over here, this 7 is more than 5, so it becomes 10. So 20 plus 10 becomes 30. Now, the question was 13 plus 27. So 13 plus 27 can be written as 13 becomes 10, 27 becomes 30, and 10 plus 30 becomes 40. So this will be our answer for 13 plus 27 in rounding. We'll take one more example. Say 16 plus 45. Again 16. Now, if you see 16, what comes? 16 lies between 10 to 20, right? So 16 can be, we don't take 10, but we'll take 20 because it is coming more than 15. 10 and 20 ka half 15. 15 से आगे आ गया 16. So it will move in the next category. So 16 का round off हो गया 20. Similarly, 45 lies between. 45 lies between students. Yes, it lies between 40 to 50. Right? So 45 will go to 50. So 20 plus 50, that becomes 70. We'll take one more. 73 plus 39. Now 73 lies between 72 to 80. It is less than 75. 5 से कम हो गया ये, तो 70 ही इसका आंसर आ गया. 39 में क्या हुआ? This lies between 30 to 40. तो किसके पास है? 30 के पास या 40 के पास? 40 के पास. तो हम 39 को बना देंगे 40. And 70 plus 40 becomes 110. Similarly, we'll see the sums, estimating the sum to the nearest hundreds. Right? Nearest hundred. Let's take the example 283 plus 335. Now 283 lies between 200 and 300. Since half of 100 is 50, so it is more than 50. So 283 will be closer to 300. So the near rounding off of 283 becomes 300. And of 335, it is between 300 to 400. It is less than 50. So it will go back to 300. So the round of 335 becomes 300. So 300 plus 300 gives you 600. Is that clear? Well, take one more. 479 plus 321. Now, what is the round of 479? It is between 400 and 500. More than 50, right? So, it will come to, yes, 500. What about this 321? It is between 300 to 400. Less than 50, these two numbers. So it will come to 300. So 500 plus 300. 500 plus 300 becomes 800. So students, this is how we estimate the sum.